students, now I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 6.3. Now question number 2 says find the values of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. Here we have the triangle. Here x, y and 50 degree is interior angle of the triangle and 120 degree is an exterior angle. Okay, now here we will have to use the properties to find the value of x and y. Now many ways we can do this. At first we can see that this y and 120 degree is forming a linear pair because the sum of these two angles, since this is a straight line, the sum of these two angles forms 180 degree. So y plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree, and we will have to write the reason also that it's linear pair. Here this exterior angle is equals to sum of these two opposite angle also, sum of these two opposite interior angle also. So that way also we can find the value of x. Now here we have used linear pair property. Okay. Now here y plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. So the value of y will be 180 degree. 120 degree will be transposed to right hand side. So 120 degree will be subtracted from 180 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. So it's 60 degree. Now we have got the value of y. Now here this x, y and 50 degree, these are the three angles of a triangle, and we know that the angle sum property of a triangle is the sum of three angles make 180 degree. So we'll write by angle sum property of a triangle, x plus 50 degree plus y is 180 degree. Now x we don't know, so it will remain same. Then we have 50 degree. Now y we have got already 60 degree. So in place of y we will write 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now x plus sum of 50 and 60 makes 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 5 is 11. So it's 110 degree is equals to 180 degree. So the value of x will be 180 degree. This 110 degree will be transposed to right hand side. So plus 110 will be minus 110 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 1 is 7. So the value of x is 70 degree and y is 60 degree. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now focus on the second figure. Here we can easily find the value of y. Why? Because here these two lines crossing each other, and we know that if two line crosses, then this angle is equals to this angle because it is vertically opposite angle, right? So we can easily find the value of y, which is 80 degree, and we will have to write the reason also. This is vertically opposite angle. Okay, now we have got the value of y. Now we will have to find the value of x. Now see, this is a triangle. Again we know that the angle sum property of a triangle is the sum of three angles, y 50 degree and x makes 180 degree. So we'll write by angle sum property of a triangle is y plus 50 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. So here we have got the value of y, which is 80 degree. So in place of y we will put 80 degree plus 50 degree, and x we don't know, so it will remain same, is equals to 180 degree. Now 0 plus 0, if you add this to 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 5 is 13. So 130 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? 180 degree minus 130 degree, because when you are finding the value of the variable, then that should be alone. So x, from x if you remove 130 degree, then we'll get minus 130 degree. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 3 is 5. So it's 50 degree. Okay, now coming to next. Now in the third part we have 50 degree, 60 degree and y, the interior angles of a triangle, and x is an exterior angle. Now here x and y both are unknown to us, right? So how we will find, and which one should I find at first? So here we can easily find the angle sum property of a triangle. We can find this by angle sum property of a triangle, because we know that y plus 50 degree plus 60 degree, the three angles of a triangle, is 180 degree. The sum of these three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we'll write by angle sum property of a triangle, y plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now y plus, if you add this to 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 6 is 11. So it's 110 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now we will have to find the value of y. So y will be alone here, and we'll just remove 110 degree. So it will be 180 degree minus 110 degree. So y will be 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. So y is 70 degree. Now we have got the value of y. Now we can see that x and y make linear pair because it is forming a straight line, right? So we'll write x plus y is equals to 180 degree, and we will have to write the reason here. These two angles form a linear pair. So here x we don't know, so x will remain same, and the value of y is 70 degree. So put in place of y is equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So the value of x will be 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 7 is 1. And 1 will come down, so it's 110 degree. Okay, so this was all about number 3. Now coming to number 4. Now in the fourth figure we have y, x and 30 degree. These are the interior angles of a triangle, and here we can see that these two lines crosses each other. So this angle and this angle is same, so we can easily find the value of x, because since these two lines crosses each other, so this angle will be equal to this angle by vertically opposite angle property, right? So we'll write x is equals to 60 degree. Why? It's vertically opposite angle. Now we will have to find the value of y. So here we have got the value of x. Now these are the angles of a triangle. So the sum of these three triangles, the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. So by angle sum property of a triangle is y plus 30 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. Now here y we don't know, so y plus 30 degree plus x we have got already, which is 60 degree, so is equals to 180 degree. Now we will add this two, so y plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the value of y is 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 0 minus 0, 0, 18 minus 9 is 9. So it's 90 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree and y is 90 degree. Okay, now coming to next part. Now here y, x and x are the interior angles of a triangle, and here these two lines crosses each other. So at first we will find the value of y, and that we can find easily because these two lines crosses each other. So this angle and this angle will be same. Y will be 90 degree, and we will have to write the property also. What is that? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, now we have got this value. Now these are the angles of a triangle. So y will write by angle sum property of a triangle. We will have to write the property always. Okay, so by angle sum property of a triangle, y plus x is equals to 180 degree. Now here y's value we have got already, which is 90 degree, plus x, these two are like terms, so we can add these two. So x plus x is 2x is equals to 180 degree. Now at first we will remove 90 degree and 2x will remain same on the left hand side. So 2x is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 2x is 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Now what will be the value of x? 2 into x. So the value of x will be 90 divided by 2. If you take 2 on the right hand side, it will be division. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 45s are 90. So the value of x is 45 degree. So value of x is 45 degree and y is 90 degree. Okay. Now coming to the last part. Now in the last figure we have only y in the interior of a triangle. Here we don't have any angle given. So let us consider this as A and this as B. Okay. Now here we can see that these two lines crosses each other. So this angle and this angle will be same. So here this angle A will be equal to angle X, as these are vertically opposite angle. Now here this B is also equal to X, because here these two lines also crosses each other. So the value of B is also X. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now here this line and this line also crosses each other. So the value of y will be equal to x. Okay. Why? Because this is also vertically opposite angle. Now we have got the value of this and this. That means the three angles of a triangle. And we know that by angle sum property of a triangle is the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So we'll write by angle sum property of a triangle is, so here the three angles, here look at here, we have got x, x and x. The three angles of a triangle we have got x. So x plus x plus x is equals to 180 degree. So here we have got 3x. So 3x is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? Is 180 degree divided by 3, because it is given in multiplication form. Now, so 3 6 is 18 and 1 0. So the value of x is 60 degree. Now we have got 60 degree. Now here is also x, here is also x, here is also x. That means each angle is 60 degree here. Now we will have to find the value of y also. Now see here x is equals to y. Here x is equals to y. If you see this, x is equals to y. So that means if the value of x is 60 degree, then the value of y is also 60 degree, right? Okay, so this was the last part of question number 2. Thank you, students.